guys, this is Tala. So I'm holding a V8 sound card right now. So today I will be providing you the steps on how to be able to record your sound covers and whatnot using your mobile phones with your V8 sound cards. You will actually find that your regular cameras will not work with this one. So you need to look for a third-party app that will work with your recordings. Unfortunately, I was able to find two apps that you can easily download or get from Google Play Store or App Store, depends on the phone that you're using. And these apps are free, so you don't need to worry about paying for anything. So I'll go ahead and show you how to set them up. But before that, make sure to leave a like and hit unsubscribe button below. Thank you. So the first app is this one. It's called Open Camera. Alright, and you just need to click on the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen and then scroll down until you see the video settings. Okay, and then look for the audio source and then click on the radio button next to the external mic. Okay, well, you don't have to save anything. Once you change it, it will change the settings. So the second app that I'm using is this one. It's called the Bass Camera. Okay, it's the same thing, same steps. Just click on the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen and then go to the video settings and then look for the audio source. Okay, and then same thing, click the radio button next to the external mic if present. Okay, and that should do the trick. So there you have it, guys. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video, and I'll look for my cover videos as well. Those are great, I think. Bye.